DropGecko is a one-of-a-kind product that enables you to easily crack the code for e-commerce. It will offer you everything you need, like store builder, lists of in-demand products, and margin manager to set up and manage a high-converting store on your own. More importantly, this tool even lets you have direct interaction with several product suppliers from all over the world, as well as calculating the lowest yet most reasonable price for your products. Sounds like a great way to bombard your business with sales, don't you think? Also, DropGecko runs on a cloud-based platform that can easily be mastered without any technical skill or marketing experience. In short, it is perfect for those that are new to the e-commerce field. DropGecko review, features and benefits. Now, let's take a look at DropGecko's most amazing features. Incredible templates. Once purchasing DropGecko, you will immediately receive 5 exclusive stored templates. All you have to do is pick one and customize it to your liking, and then your store is ready to go. Various types of products. As I have mentioned earlier, DropGecko can let you interact directly with many product suppliers throughout the world. To be more specific, it comes with a special built-in tool that allows you to instantly import at least 500 best-selling products from AliExpress onto your store. Isn't this great? Multiple ways to boost your sales. There are many ways for you to profit from DropGecko. Aside from the traditional drop shipping, it also allows you to add goods as an affiliate as well as selling digital download products. Use your domain. DropGecko gives you a chance to run your store on your very own domain without breaking a break. To make this happen, all you have to do is to follow a few simple steps. Do not worry if you do not own a domain, because the tool has already been paired with a sub-1 powerful sale-boosting assets. Every e-commerce site needs some items to make it more high-converting, and DropGecko will provide you with a handful. For examples, as long as you use it, you can have tempting real-time countdowns, cart expiry timers, as well as buy button displayed on your store. In DropGecko, all you need to do is simply log in and activate your store. Pick your products, select what you want your store to look like, what you want to call it, and how much you want customers to pay you. Deliver the products. Click a button on our easy-to-use Chrome extension add-on and the order is placed and on its way. Profit with instant payments. Sales are paid directly into your PayPal account. There's no risk. You are in full control and profitable faster.